Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to sell notes on Gumroad. All right, so first up on the left panel, go ahead over to products. Now click on new products right here at the very top. Now you can go ahead and choose to use ebook right here if they are long form study guides, but you got to use digital product if it's just a simple note or just a quick guide. All right, so let's go ahead and click on digital products right here and then go ahead and add in the name, for example, sample note PDF. All right, scroll down, add in the price, for example, $5, and then go ahead and click on next, customize at the very top. Once that's done, here's the description section. Go ahead and add it in a description. For example, notes for saving up. All right, so here's the preview right here. Now scroll down and add a cover image if you want to. For example, under computer files, maybe just this one right here. Scroll down, add in a thumbnail if you want to as well. So for example, this one, open. And then the call to action, and if you want to add in some variations, you will have that option right here. So for example, a variation for cryptocurrency or any other stuffs. And then once that's done, go ahead over to content, as this is the most important thing. You'll have to upload your files from here. So upload embedded media, computer files, or Dropbox files. So if you have the file from Dropbox, go ahead and connect your Dropbox account right here. So just computer files. And then let's go ahead over to the specific PDF. Click on open, wait for it to load. And then once that's done, go ahead and click on save changes. Now go ahead over to your products, or you can just go ahead and publish and continue right here. But before you can publish, make sure that you have set up your payout accounts. All right, so there you have it. That's how easy it is to sell notes on Gumroad. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.